Greetings, Mark Bonnier. We're going to be looking at how we can add animation in PowerPoint. Yes, animation. So for instance, you're doing like a PowerPoint presentation. When you bring up a topic, the audience only see the topic, nothing else. So when you come like this book, the next word come up, you can actually explain it, or next paragraph come, you can explain it instead of put everything definitely on the screen. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually go through that. If you notice right now, for the PowerPoint presentation right here. All right, so if you notice right here, step to follow, I can actually block it so far. And then I go up to the top right here, say animation. You can actually click. You notice I have different type of animation. I come right here, notice I can choose any one of these. I'm going to click on that one and notify in. So for each one of these, I can put a different animation on it, right? So I can actually put any one you want, right? So I'm going to put some right there, going back there. Alright, look at that one. So if you notice, each one that I put in notice, they give a number at the side, like that. So definitely now we're gonna do the slideshow and see exactly how our animation actually look like. Right, so you're gonna come right here, says slideshow, click from the beginning. Right, let me go that one and focus definitely on this particular slide. Alright, so this is the one that we're actually gonna do. Right. If you notice right here, it's a round off decimal. So you can explain the topic if you're doing a proper presentation. And then by going now, right, you can say, all right, steps to follow. And then right here, notice, they explain this definitely. And then you go on to the next one. And then go on to the next one, just like that. When you do that, you have a better control at the PowerPoint presentation. Because sometimes when you actually have all of these, sometimes when you explain one, sometimes others might be focusing on three right here. So the animation is here to help guide you, right? Guys, notice when you come up, you want to see this, the topic alone. When you come like this, notice it give you another control again. And if you notice, so you have a better control in exactly how you use. So if using animation, the way forward. So hope you have learned something from this video here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.